Today, we're going to learn how to automate website monitoring using AI and Make.com. Let's say you've got a great product idea and you're getting ready for launch, or maybe you have launched already. But you've also got competitors. Monitoring their websites is time-consuming and takes precious time away from doing what actually matters. Luckily for us, you don't have to do that manually. We're going to walk you through how you can automate this entire process. First thing we're going to do is access our competitor's web URL using the Google Sheets module. That's where we stored our competitors' web URLs, and we suggest you do the same too. The action we're going to use is the Watch New Rows action. And all we're going to do here is find our spreadsheet where we've stored our URLs and have Make watch that spreadsheet for any new entries. Which means every time we add a new URL for a new competitor, this entire automation will run for that URL. Our next module is going to be the Dumpling AI module, and our action is going to be the Screenshot URL action. Our URL is going to be from our Google Sheets module, and we're going to want to screenshot the full page and enable auto-scroll. That way we can capture as much of the page as possible. Our next module is going to be the HTTP module, and the action we'll be using is the Get a File action. This will allow us to download our screenshot URL from Dumpling AI. Finally, we're going to save our result in Dropbox, and our action is the Upload a File action. Now, you can use any storage tool of your choice, like Google Drive, or even OneDrive. But for the purpose of this demonstration, we'll be using Dropbox. Let's run the entire scenario and see what we get. Our scenario has been successful. Let's hop on over to Dropbox to view our file. And as you can see, we've got a screenshot of our competitor's website right here in Dropbox. With this automation, you no longer have to waste your time keeping up to date with your competitor's latest offerings and features. You can sit back, relax, and focus on making your product better than theirs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.